It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's unbox for the third time the Reebok Es22. All right, y'all, let's get to it. Let's get to it. You already know how they look. Your boy had these before, and I love these shoes, man. Take me back to when I was a kid, man. I think I was in middle school when these first came out. But let's get to it. This is my third time with these shoes. The first time I got these from the Reebok website for $180, right? And when they came in, I'm like, these shoes not worth $180. And I tried them on, and they were way too big. Now, I wear size 11 and a half. The only reason I went size 12 because of the toe box. A lot of old shoes, the toe box is tight. But I'm here to tell y'all, these shoes are big, bulky, and they're wide on feet. They are wide. They look good on feet, but man, so I took them back, and I went through the size 11 and a half, and they were still just too big on feet. And I read somewhere somebody went half size down, so I said, man, you know what? I'm done with these shoes. So I returned these shoes back to Reebok for a refund. And I had problems getting my money back because they was like, you know, we sent you the money. I checked my account, called the bank. They don't see it. I don't see it. So what we on, like the third month right now from when I did the return, and I'm just not getting my money back. I called again and got somebody else on the line and gave them a copy of my bank statement for that time and date, and got my money back. But I don't think I'll never do business with Reebok again. These shoes here, they came from Finish Line, okay? So the reason why I got them again, because I seen them on Finish Line for, I think it was for $120. I believe that was for $120. And I had a coupon code that took $15 off, all right? And then I had a status award for $10 off. So that brought my total down to $101.89. All right, now Finish Line saying these shoes are $200 retail. I can't believe it, but on Reebok website it said $180. So, I mean, ain't nobody gonna spend $200 for these shoes. Ain't nobody gonna spend $180. I mean, they still have sizes available. And even with the discount, I went back on there and they still have sizes, you know, I mean, for $120. For some reason, people ain't messing with these shoes, man. So, yeah, I went size 11 on these. And man, I went outside, tried them on feet, and I still have a lot of wiggle room. And I'm like, God damn, I'm gonna take these back, man, and shit, I guess go for size 10 and a half. But after trying them on feet, I dirtied the bottom of them. The bottom, I don't know if I can clean that. But at this point, y'all, I think I'm gonna just stick with these size 11. The wiggle room ain't that bad. But again, these are not true to size. All right. If you go half size down, that's on you. I recommend going the whole size down. So if you wear size 11 and a half, go 10 and a half. All right. If you wear 10 and a half, go 9 and a half. Or if you want to go half size down, then that's on you. But these shoes, they look good off feet and on feet. These shoes I cannot wait to rock these shoes, man. I don't know what I'm gonna put, probably some blue jeans on or a little short set, I don't know. But these shoes look good, man. And for the people that slept on these shoes, for whatever reason, I understand. Maybe it's the price, or maybe ain't nobody offering to Reeboks. But, you know, I guess it depends what old school shoe it is. Cause I know those CBs, man, those Charles Barkley 94s, they fly off the shelf. Man. But like these right here, the Fila Grand Hill, they don't do nothing. Even the Allen Iverson, I don't think they do nothing either. Correct me if I'm wrong. But these shoes, I am very happy to have these shoes here in my collection for $101. It ain't no way I could turn that down, man. Because I mean, I gave up on them. I couldn't see myself spending $180 for these shoes. I ain't no way. Not even 120. I don't know. But yeah, it is what it is, man. So, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Shout out to Way to Go Curtis. Man, $75. I went to Finish Line website and I seen these shoes going for $75. After purchasing these shoes for $120 and got it down to $101, now they $75. I've been trying to call Finish Line all day. Can't get through to nobody. So I just placed another order and I found a $5 coupon. I got them for $75 and I'm gonna return the other ones. Now this time I got them size 10.5. The last shoes I rocked 10.5, I was in high school. Y'all, these shoes fit big, man. I'm gonna return the other ones and get my money back. And for $75, you can't beat that. So I appreciate the heads up. Way to go, Curtis. So what say y'all? Are these shoes hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.